If you can hear my neighbour, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. So for today's tutorial, guys, I actually wanted to do something rich and chocolatey and just make this a really nice chocolate brown monochromatic makeup look. I wanted to go quite nice and smoky and yet sultry on the eyes, and I wanted to pair it with a really nice chocolatey brown lip. So I'm just going to prep my skin. Why am I putting so much on? This is the Vive Skin Nova Radiance Primer. Literally one pump does my whole face. I was literally going in for a third pump there. Jeez. Absolutely love this product though. It's so nice. I've actually caught myself using it on days where I'm not actually wearing any makeup. Just to give my skin that really nice glow, and also it just nicely like hydrates the skin as well. It's so nice. So nice. I'm going to be taking the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Punjab. It's been so long since I've used this foundation. I'm going to blend this in with my BK Beauty 101 foundation brush. I'd really love to know what's going on with my skin at the minute, like especially around here and like up around here. I have so many spots and wee breakouts and stuff. It's quite rare for my skin to actually break out. And you know it's rare for your skin to break out whenever your boyfriend actually says to you, "Why are you so spotty at the minute?" Me and Kylie were sitting having dinner the other night, and we obviously just sit beside each other, and I was just talking to him, and I could see him just, you know, like looking around my face, and you know the way you start to get a wee bit self-conscious, and it just comes out with it, like, "Why are you so spotty at the minute?" Excuse me, sir? Rude. I do apologise if you can hear my neighbour, but I think he's washing his wee car. So I'm finally going to be trying the Vive Modern Radiance Concealer. I got the shade Light 2. I've had this for a very long time, and that's the first time I'm going to try it. Ooh. Oh, that's a really nice applicator. Really nice wee doe foot. So is anybody else getting a wee bit tired of hearing about this whole Michaela drama over on TikTok with the mascara? And I think it's only been like 2 days. But it sucks. It really sucks for the rest of us. I kind of feel like influencers, especially within the beauty community, let's just say, especially people that review products, I kind of feel like, I'm going to say we here because I'm obviously within the community, but I feel like we already have a bad reputation as it is, and it's just, I've seen quite a lot of people leave comments on sponsored posts or just mention here, there or whatever, that as soon as they see that it's a sponsored post, they just flick by the video, or they just instantly don't believe them, or whatever it may be, I don't know. And it sucks because, do you know what, we're not all like that. It's not all influencers, I can assure you. Is a couple of coins more important to somebody than the trust that you have with like the trust and the relationship that you have with your viewers? I don't know. Hopefully, like, she learns from this. As far as I'm aware, she's just been pretty silent on it, but I think the best thing that she can do now is just come on, explain why, explain whatever, apologise to not just the brand. I don't really feel like she owes the brand an apology at all, actually, but I do feel like she owes her viewers an apology. Just putting a wee bit of highlighter just down the centre of my nose. And then I'm also going to take one of the P. Louise blushes. I'm actually going to try this on set skin. I've actually just went off camera there and set my skin with the Huda Beauty lip powder. So the shade I'm going to be taking in the Cheek of P. Louise liquid blush is Sunkissed Miss. This is actually a really beautiful colour. I think it's nearly probably one of my favourites. I'm going to just take it on one of these BK Beauty brushes. It's a 112. Oh, why am I nervous? I just don't like applying any product on top of powder. I get really panicky. So I'm just going to kind of press this on, but kind of like pat it as well. Applying it and blending it just as I go. Okay. Right. I think I actually prefer this, how it looks, on top of set skin. That's actually really, really nice. Oh my god, I can't stop applying it. Oh my god, I want to put some more on. What? What gave me the idea to actually do this, or like try it on top of pressed skin, set skin, is I think one of their TikTok videos maybe. It looked to me as if the skin was already set and they had applied it with like a wee brush, like slightly bigger than that, and it looked really, really nice. Okay, that's going to be how I'm going to apply this blush from now on. And then I'm going to go on top of that with a wee bit of the Vive Pesca, Pesca blush. Just taking a wee light hand with that and pressing that just on top. Vive Modern Bronzer. I'm going to take this NARS High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Mambo. I've been using these quite a lot recently, these NARS eyeliners, and they're well good. Very creamy. And then I'm also going to bring this along the lash line as well, just on top. I'm not really being particular at all about this, by the way, because I'm just going to be going and blending it out, but I just want to line that whole lash line and try and bring that into the inner corner as well. God, that looks an absolute mess. And the other side. Taking any brown eyeshadow, I'm again going to go into the Cash Beauty Crystal Nights eyeshadow palette, this wee one here. I did use this at the start of the week, and I did mention in that tutorial that I think it was on sale, and it's on sale on Be Perfect Cosmetics, and it's also on sale on Beauty Bay. It's on sale on Beauty Bay for £17, but then on Be Perfect it's on sale for £12, so you may as well get it on Be Perfect Cosmetics. And I'm not too sure whether my discount code still applies to sale items, but you can try it and maybe get it a wee bit cheaper. Try it if you want, knock yourself out. But I'm going to go into Enchant, this dark brown shade here, and I'm taking it on a 204 brush from BK Beauty. I also have a discount code for BK Beauty as well. Of course my discount codes are always down below in the description box, but I'm now just going to go back and forth trying to kind of smudge and blend that liner, and then also like set at the same time. Also repeating the same process on the lower lash line, just smudging that out. I'm going to take this wee brush from Real Techniques. It's quite a big brush actually, but I like to use it for setting my under eyes. But I'm actually going to take these two shades here with this brush and just go back and forth in between the two of them and do a wee bit of something in the lids, like on the crease, you know, kind of like a transition. There we go. Right, so I'm going to take a couple of these wee brushes from the Ciate and Hannah Martin collection. So I have here the Flat Eye Base brush, a small blender, and a face contour. Face contour? Get fucked. That's tiny. Face contour. You're pulling my leg. Face contour? Hardly. Face contour. Face contour brush. What? So I'm going to take one of the wee small blender brushes. If effect. Hold on till I have wee nosy through what other brushes I have here. There's like a wee P. Louise brush I like to use. It's quite good. Woohoo! Got it. I might take it actually. And then back into the Cash Beauty palette, I'm going to take Dusk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly blend around the edges. Just around the whole eye basically. Oh, are you wanting a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial? I don't really do Valentine's Day, to be honest. I don't really think last year had done a tutorial for Valentine's Day either. Or like, I suppose I could do like a Galentine's Day. You would honestly think I'm single. Okay, now that this is actually starting to blend out and kind of come together, I quite like it actually. I'm trying to be a wee bit careful with my blending though. Taking this wee clean brush. Face contour brush. My god. Oh, look at it. I don't know, it's just a wee bit small for my thoughts. With the exact same wee brush from P. Louise, I'm going to go into Haze. I just blend this up slightly further since it's our lightest shade. For lashes, I done a wee bit of digging. In my lash drawer. And I actually got these in TK Maxx for $2.99. I do not know how long ago, but I used to use these lashes whenever I actually worked in the salon, and that was 7 years ago. Wow, 7 years ago. It's crazy. But I went through a phase of actually wearing these lashes and I loved them. They're the Allure Vegas Nay Grand Glamour lashes. Someone tells me that, is it Vegas Nay? She's a makeup artist. I think I followed her on Instagram and I actually used to put up makeup posts years ago. The glue's all separated. And you know, like years and years ago when you were trying to make it on Instagram and it was cool to put in hashtags. I would have put on hashtags like Amrezy, MUA, Vegas Nay. Vegas Nay, Vegas Nye. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so affronted if I'm pronouncing that wrong. But these lashes they're stunning. They look really scary, but they're beautiful on. Right, I need to pull myself together, woman. I've been laughing at a TikTok for the past 5 freaking minutes. Have any of you ever seen the video on TikTok where it's your man with the big beard and and he's pretending to be Paul Breach on a live? Oh my god. Where's my puff? Oh no. Oh my god, look how that powder is going on my eyes. God damn it. Friggin' TikTok. I'm still laughing at that video. Right, next time I laugh, I'm going to punch myself in the face. So for lips, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop BFF lip liner. Then for lips, I have this Clarios. yeah, I think it's called Kaleidos. Basically, they're a liquid lipstick in Cold Smoke. So this is their Cloud Lab lip clay. Smoky Nostalgica. They basically sent me these in PR that came in like a wee 4-pack, so it did. But that's the colour of it there. Beautiful. I'm gonna try this and then I'm gonna show you a more affordable alternative. The formula of these wee lip products is so nice, by the way. Like, as you can see, it's a matte, but it's definitely like a nice creamy matte. Like, there's still movement there. It doesn't completely dry down. And I love the doe foot applicator as well. I love the fact that it comes into a point, so you can really perfect the edge of the lip. I know I do put lip liner on, which obviously helps, but if you're somebody that doesn't use lip liner, this can come in really handy. And the doe foot applicator is like quite nice and flexible as well. And a more affordable alternative, I have here the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Taiwan. Oh no, it says made in Taiwan. What dick. Dubai. Well, we try a wee bit of this as well, just to kind of see. I'd say definitely like the formula in these two would be quite, if not very similar. I'm going to swatch them for you actually. So this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I would say the next one might not be as pigmented. You might need to go in with a couple of layers to build up that intensity. Oh god, what one's what? This one. So that one is Kaleidos and this one is from NYX. Guys, this does come to the end of this tutorial. I think that's pretty much everything. My under eyes are looking somewhat a wee bit better now. I'm so sorry for that. But anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching anyway. I hope you all enjoyed. All the products that I did use will be linked down below in the description box for you, along with my discount codes as well, so do go and check them out. But yeah, other than that guys, thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.